Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. GDP questions get people fast, but this one is quick if you spot which transaction has market value and which one never enters production totals. GDP counts the market value of final goods and services produced. So start by asking whether money is actually paid in a market transaction for something newly provided. That immediately rules out unpaid work because non-market activities are excluded from GDP, even if they are useful, valuable, and real, since no market price records the service. So the lawyer giving free legal counsel is excluded, while the other choices involve purchases of goods or services, which means option B wins. Well done. Option B. Scan now. Trap. Rushing past free. Rule. Trust the given market value idea, then check each choice against that rule.